You're watching Markets4you, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. Thursday saw continued weakness in the dollar after Eurozone debt fears eased following unexpectedly strong European bond auctions. Risk appetite was further supported by better than expected US jobs data, which improved the outlook for the world's largest economy. The greenback ended the day at 1.2966 to the euro and 77.10 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro rallied strongly on Thursday after French and Spanish bond yields fell at auction despite news that earlier downgrades and bond swap negotiations in Athens to prevent a Greek default were reportedly going smoothly. The single currency ended the day at 99.96 to the yen and 0.8371 to the pound. British pound. Pound tracked the euro higher as Eurozone fears subsided. The recent run of poor data took the shine off the rally, however, after yesterday's 8.4% unemployment shocker, which compounded QE fears. The pound ended Thursday at 1.5488 versus the dollar and 119.40 against the yen. Watch out for retail sales out today, which is expected to show a higher print. Japanese yen. A combination of rapidly rising risk appetite and increased intervention fears led investors to drop the yen on Thursday after Eurozone concerns eased and comments from the Japanese finance minister underscored Tokyo's willingness to maintain price stability. The yen ended the day at 77.10 to the dollar and 99.96 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.2915 with targets at 1.3 and 1.3015 in extension. Below 1.2915, look for further downside with 1.2855 and 1.28 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.544 with 1.552 and 1.556 in sight. A downside penetration of 1.543, which will call for a slide towards 1.54 and 1.5365. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions at 76.95 with targets at 73.35 and 77.5. The downside penetration of 76.9, which will call for a slide towards 76.65 and 76.55. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets4you. Have a great weekend.